All right, well, welcome back. Here's another session of LearnToBuildIt.com from my RV here. We're going to go over the control panel of the project that I'm building. We kind of have, you see how I do my TVs and everything, and I'll show you where I'm at with my project here. Now, I'll go over code deeper, but I'm going to wait on the code until I get more finalizing of it done, instead of giving you the partial codes now. Okay, so here is my control panel. I am using the Raspberry Pi mounted to the default 7-inch screen that comes with the, or not comes with, purchased separately, but it's the actual 7-inch screen, the Raspberry Pi version. I know we talked about that one in the past. Again, some things I don't like about it, but overall, nice screen. I did put a power switch over here. So the way I've got this set up is if I'm not going to use the RV for a while, and you know, I've got the hard drive sitting in there, the Netgear sitting in there, all that stuff. It's all ran on 12 volts. I don't want to leave it on forever. So, you know, I can kill it here. It kills everything. That is one of my issues that I want to show you that I'm not so happy with. But this is my control panel. What I did is it's a Raspberry Pi running Raspbian, and it is running Chrome browser. Now, as you see, I've got it set up with light positions. Now, this is not the newest update. I already have been making some changes, and I will be putting it out there. But if I click these, the unit turns green or yellow, saying it's on with the little green border, and you can see my lights are on. And then I come over here and click them again, and instantly the lights all go off, and the thing goes to a gray with red. So I'll get into that more with the relay on my next video here, which will be coming up right away. This one I have for my outside light. These are my inside lights. Now this one is actually a bathroom light. It's not supposed to be in this, but I accidentally connected them together. So that's my panel. Now I do have also hooked to it a keyboard that I bought. And the thing I like about the keyboard, obviously, is that I'm able to move the mouse around, do things like that if I care to. But really what you need it for is you need it because you need to be able to do different things. So as you can see here, we are running just Raspbian. And it is the newest version of it, Pixel, I think it's called. And all I'm running is Chrome browser. Now, here's the issue. I could leave it like this. I don't like that. I'm putting the Chrome browser in kiosk mode. Kiosk mode is more or less like full screen. But, you know, the stupid part of Chrome, and I'm not really totally understanding because I've went and I've read some different articles and different forums and chats about this, and it sounds like the coders think we're idiots. But they want us, or when I do this, which, you know, I could go in and I could do a shutdown on it, but at the end of the trip or whatever, I kill my power. So I want to be able to turn my power back on at any point in time and see everything boot up. Now, as of now, it's working pretty good. Most of the time, there it is, welcome to Pixel. You'll see I auto boot, and I'll go over this later in closer detail, but I auto boot everything up, and I also put Chrome in kiosk mode. So right there, and there's what happens. Restore, did not shut down correctly. We're in kiosk mode. There's supposed to be no interface to this. So everybody's complaining about it because what we would like them to do is get rid of the restore mode. So in this case, it didn't even bring up the restore when I hit it. So I have to click one of the last used pages to get it to come up. So I will have an update coming because I found an app, I think it's called KWeb. And I'm going to be looking at installing that and taking care of that and see if this problem goes away. These people designed it to more or less get rid of the Chrome browser and do the kiosk mode so we won't have to use it. If we get to that and it's working the way I want, I'm thinking I may get rid of the keyboard or maybe just leave it in the back for other things. Now, The way I've got this also set up that I'm hoping to do is down in this white open area. Oops, it's touch screen. Down in this white open area down here, I want to put inside, outside temperatures, maybe some other voltages, you know, different things like that. So I am looking at doing a solar package on here. I want to be able to add that. And then I'm going to add other buttons, like I'll have it right here on the dash, a radio button to turn on and off the radio. So on my radio, there's a power switch right here, and also in the bedroom, so that I can have the radio going, not have to get out of bed and just kill it if I want to. So that should work pretty cool. So that is my control center panel. And in the future, what I'm looking at doing, a couple things to this, is I'm going to run a cable from this panel through HDMI to the TV that sits out here. So I will be able to put the TV on, and I will be able to put the control panel on the TV. I'm just doing that more for coolness, I guess, and fun. And who knows? I know that a lot of these newer TVs, you can hook different keyboards to. So if my keyboard works on it, you could tab through it, or maybe your remote, you could tab through it and be able to go that way. I also could do that with the web browser on the TV. I guess that's what I really mean. I could use the web browser on the TV and just browse to this website. So anyway, there you go. That's my control panel. And look for some more videos soon.